Welcome back everyone. So in the previous tutorial we have added 4 questions in the form, right? So now what I'm going to do is I am going to see the responses or other settings which are going to be affect my form. So here is the first option where I can customize the theme. So what is the theme option? If you want to add any image to your form, or if you want to add the new color to the form, because this is a very regular thing which is available in the forms. So here I'm going to add a color. So let us suppose if I select this green color, it will convert my form into a green colored form. And if you want to add a image, you can have any image from your desktop, or there are lots of options which are available in the Google Forms. You can select that and your form will look better. So here I'm going to use this option. I'll just insert this image. I have selected one image and I have added that image. Now automatically it has taken this yellow color. If you want to change the color for the form like this, you can do that, or you can add a new custom color from the palette if you want to have another color related to this form. So if you want to take the green color, you can have this added and that green color will be added. Now for the background color, see, this is the light pista color. If you want to use this, you can have this, or you can change it like this, or you can give it like a simple white background. So from these options, you can have different options which are available in your form. And after this, the last option is the font style. So when you are using a font style, it can be basic, decorative. You can have a formal or a playful. If you select this playful, and you just cross this option, all the options are like this, and you will find the font like this. So all these 4 options are available in the customize theme option. The next option is the preview option. If you select this, it will give you the form like this. This is how your participants are going to see your form, where we have 4 options: name, institute name, mobile number, and upload payment screenshot. All 4 questions are the necessary or mandatory questions they need to answer, and they need to do this. Now the next option is the undo option. If you want to go to the back one step, if you want to go to the previous step like this, it will convert this into a simple basic font, because the last step which I have applied in my form is the font face. I have changed the font style of my form, and this is the redo option. If you want to go one step further, you can do this. So this is undo or redo button. You are more familiar with these buttons, how we can go to the back step or the forward steps. These are available directly here on your main screen. Then you have this option of send. Now what does this send option means? If you want to send all these things to the participants, you can directly add the email here, fine. Or the second option is you can go to this option, and here you can select the collect emails, because I have not taken the emails in the form of question. So you can just validate your form that you want to collect every participant's email. Now you want to send it with a link, or you want to embed. There are 3 options. You can directly send it through an email option, or you can get the link, or you can embed that in your HTML code. This is something, if you are from the computers background, then you can have this code. Embedded code means you want to embed this and you want to make this into your website, or you want to add this code. But whenever we are using the file upload questions, they do not allow you to embed your form in any of the HTML. So this is the best option which we generally take. Here you can shorten the link, you can make the link smaller, or if you unclick this, you will get the link of this. So when I shorten it, you have the option of copy. I'll just copy this, and by having a new tab and pasting this in the new app, you can go directly to this form. So this is how you can share your form link with your participants, and this is how you can make them allow to use their form and fill all the details which are asked in the form. The next option is you have these 3 dots. before that you have the option of in the send you have the option of add collaborators. So what does collaborators means? If you want to share this form, for example, I'm creating this registration form for embracing digital tools, and with me two more colleagues of mine are doing some work with me, and if I want them to add their details here, for example, if you want to add the email of mine like this, so you can add the email here and you can ask the message, this is the registration form. Fine. Now I have created this as editor. You can create this as editor and you can make it as a send option. So when you send this, the participants will get the person with whom I'm sharing this rights, she or he will get the right to edit this form. So this is like you are doing something in collaborations. So if you trust the fellow colleague or the fellow person with whom you want to edit this form, with whom you want to collaborate, then only add the email ID and you can send them like this. So a person is added in this form and you have the option of this. Now if I go to the more option, here also I'm having the option of add collaborator. Fine, I can delete this option or I can make the further changes. So when you have these options, you can either make it as an editor or you can make it as an owner. If I make this person as an owner, then that person can remove me from the registration form. So never make any of your colleague as an owner, because it is a very high risk thing, because he or she can delete you from the form. And if you want to remove this person from the link, just select this and save this change. The person will be removed from your collaboration. So what are the other options? That will be discussed in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this.